scrolled through social media and felt like everyone has a better life, cooler job, or happier family than you? That spiral of I am not good enough is the comparison trap in action. Let's dissect why we fall for it and how to retrain your brain for true confidence. Why do we even compare? There is an evolution factor involved. Our brains are wired to assess our place in the social hierarchy. It used to be about literal survival. In modern times, though, it often leads to needless misery rather than usual improvement. The highlight reel, social media's distorted reality. We mostly see people's curated best moments online, yet we compare those highlights to our own messy, behind-the-scenes reality. It's a recipe for feeling inadequate. The confidence catch. The less confident you feel, the more intensely you compare yourself to others, making the problem even more worse. True confidence comes from within, not by measuring yourself against others. Breaking the spell. Get conscious of your comparisons, triggers, what counts, situations, or people make you spiral. Notice so you can choose your response. The thief of joy mantra. The moment you compare, say this aloud or mentally. It disrupts the pattern. Reality check behind the facade. That perfect looking person has their own struggles. Everyone does have their struggles. Is this what you want? Is your envy based on your own desires or societal pressures to follow a certain path? Focus on your own journey. Gratitude practice. Even on tough days, focus on 3 good things, big or tiny. Build appreciation for your own life the way it is. Comparison reframe. Instead of saying they're so much better at this, you can think that if they can do it, I'm inspired to work on this as well. Your growth chart. Celebrate progress compared to your past self, not others. That's the inspiring and real win. For example, your friend gets a promotion that you wanted. The old you spiral in self-doubt, resent your friend. New you feels a sting, but then shifts. Okay, what feedback from my last review can I act on? Also, I am genuinely happy for her. The power of selective attention. When you focus your attention determines your feelings, you can train your brain to spot either what you lack or what you're doing right. Inspirational feed. Follow accounts that uplift, teach, or motivate rather than make you feel as if you're less than them. Celebrate others' win as well. Make this a habit. It makes you happier as well as primes your brain to expect that good things can happen to you as well.